Hey everyone, today I'm diving into Credit Captain, a credit repair service that promises to fix your score and clean up your credit reports. On the plus side, Credit Captain makes it easy to sign up, their dashboard is intuitive, and they do appear to support you with dispute letters and credit report monitoring. Many users say the representatives are friendly and responsive. However, and this is a big however, there are two major red flags. First, many users report being charged upfront or monthly without seeing meaningful improvement. According to Trustpilot and BBB complaints, cancellation is difficult, and progress isn't guaranteed. Second, transparency is lacking when it comes to timelines and fees. You might pay hundreds of dollars and still not see the promised results. While credit repair can legally help in certain cases, it is not a magic bullet. Verdict: Credit Captain may be worth a try if you're fully aware of the risks, but don't expect instant miracles, and read the fine print carefully.